of you liked that video and everything, and I've been trying to get her to do a video like this for a while. So I'll let her talk briefly about what car she's driving, and yeah, go from there.
So I recently purchased a 2013 Civic SI with the HFP kit on it. Got lucky there.
Oh yeah.
It is in white. Unfortunately, I did want it in black, but it was such a good deal I couldn't turn it down.
Yes.
I had a 2005 Civic SI before. She was my baby.
Yeah.
But there were too many problems, you know, I had to kind of give her up, unfortunately. But the girl I sold it to, she really loved it. She fell in love with it, so.
It's good.
Yeah.
What is it about this body style, the one that you wanted to get as like a newer Civic? Because the one that you had before was like a 2005.
I was looking more at the 2015 Civics, okay. SIs. I don't know, the body looked really mint. But I came across this one and I was like, oh shit, the HFP kit is like really nice.
Yeah, and you don't see too many of them.
No, I got stopped on the road the other day and somebody complimented it and they're like, well, I've never seen this before. Like, I'm like, yeah man, got lucky.
Yeah. So that's pretty cool. And do you have any future plans that you want to do to this?
Future plans? Oh, so I already have a Skunk 2 exhaust system.
As you can hear, it sounds pretty nice.
Yeah, so I have that. I want a Skunk 2 air intake eventually. And I'm going to drop it low too, hopefully with the Skunk 2. I'm just going for Skunk 2 basically.
Skunk 2, yeah. All the things.
I'm going to promote it, going to get a banner also across the windshield.
Yeah.
And then eventually some nice mags, kind of maybe like brass color, like maybe rose gold, something like that.
Yeah, I can see that.
And maybe eventually I'll change the color of it. I don't know yet. We'll see if I keep it long enough.
Yeah. Okay, that's pretty cool. What is it that got you into cars? Because I know that you weren't always, I guess, in the beginning, but kind of.
I've always liked cars. I didn't come from a family who were like mechanics or anything like that, but no, since I started dating my boyfriend Matt, who's been in his videos, he's a mechanic and he bought a Civic and then I bought the Civic and just from there just took off eventually, and also being friends with Merv and the other guys too, just, you know, influenced me to want to partake in the car life scene.
And I'm so happy that we kind of had a little like influence on that, because it's not too often that you see like car girls around, so it's really nice, especially when one of your best friends is into that stuff now. So
yeah,
it's pretty cool.
pretty cute.
So, being a car girl, do you find it a bit intimidating, being more like, it's more of a guy atmosphere, more or less?
I sure do.
Well,
I'm very intimidated. I get intimidated pretty easily.
okay.
But yeah, because like most of the guys, like they know what the hell they're talking about. I know, I can help some girls at work, like if they have some car trouble and be like, oh yeah, like it's your ball joint or it's your tie rod or something. Like I know that most of it.
Yeah.
But no, it's intimidating because it's like, you know, you're surrounded by a bunch of guys and like you're like the only girl in my situation, like usually most of the time. And I don't know. But we girls are gonna take over the world.
That's it.
Ladies on wheels. Eventually. I'll get there.
But yeah, it's I think it's that much more of a wow factor when you see girls pull up to a I don't know, to do like a drag race, or if they just pull up to a meet or whatever. It's like, oh shit, cool.
But it feels good also though, like when like you're the only girl around, you show up in like, I'm proud of her. I'm very proud of my car for now. You know, she's starting.
Yeah.
But you know, you show up and like you come out of the car and all the guys look around and they're like, oh shit, yeah. She's trying.
Yeah. Like we do our little like meet at our local Tim Hortons once in a while, and when she first got her car, like she was kind of low-key about it. She didn't really post about it or anything. So when a group of guys seen her and Matt pull up together, they're like, wait, Rachel got a new car? And they're just like, oh shit, it's got the HFP kit. And it's like, yeah man, you know.
It makes you feel good.
It's cool to have something that not everybody has.
Yeah.
Especially when like the world is so oversaturated with certain, like especially with like being car people, a lot of us go for similar cars, but it's just a matter of making it your own, which is cool. And I think that's why you got the HFP, because it kind of separates you.
Yes, exactly.
From, because we do have a lot of Civic people in Montreal, Quebec. Like
there's a lot of Civics on the
there's a lot.
half of the majority drives Civics.
Yeah. So having that little extra something, definitely cool. So when it comes to the whole manual life, you're kind of new to it, right? How has that whole experience been, going from an automatic car and going into a manual car?
Well, I've had the car now for 3 months. It took me, I'm not gonna lie, it took me about almost a month to learn, to get like pretty comfortable with it.
Okay.
Whatever, I'm not ashamed.
Oh.
People learn in different ways.
There you go.
But yeah, like now I'm fine with it. Like obviously I still have a little bit of problems. I ride the clutch a little bit sometimes. But no, eventually I'll get it. Now I just gotta learn how to launch it and race.
You just gotta get her to a racetrack and then she'll have all the practice she needs.
She's never seen a track yet.
Soon. We're gonna go soon.
Yes.
But the whole like learning manual and everything, it was like I'm guessing it was a bit intimidating at first, because it was, you never driven a manual car until you got this, obviously.
Yeah, well, I mean, like Matt, like my boyfriend, he taught me how to do it once or twice, but obviously when you stall a couple of times, then he wants you out of the car. So that didn't go well for me, but whatever. I bought the car, I didn't know how to drive it, and I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna go with it, and look at me now.
There you go.
Anybody could do it, and just takes practice, that's all, and dedication.
There you
If
go.
you want something,
Go after it.
exactly.
Do it.
Just do it.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams.
But yeah, so thank you for letting me film your car. It's been a pleasure, you know.
No problem. I'm happy to be on the channel.
Oh, we're gonna see a lot more of you, I'm sure. People like you, Rach, so gonna have you more if you're not too shy, you know.
I'll get there.
Do you want to say your Instagram and all that so people can follow you?
Yeah, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I'm trying to make my page more car friendly instead of all those selfies, which I don't really post that much anymore. So yeah, so it's at Little Jimmy with 3 M's.
Okay.
And yeah.
Alright, well, if this is your first time, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace. Hello? 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 Hi! Is that one of them Civic things? Oh, damn.
No! What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can!